Are you looking for the perfect smoothie to start your day or have before a workout? Well, we are making a delicious peaches and cream smoothie that's so nutritious and it also gives you great energy. Hi, my name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So to start making our smoothie, I have 2 ripe peaches. I love peaches, they have such a sweet flavor. And I'm going to add that into my blender, along with 1 banana, and about a half a cup of raspberries. This is pretty much a large handful. Next thing I'm adding in is 1 cup of yogurt. I'm using an unsweetened coconut yogurt because we already have so much sugar from the fruit. We don't need any more added sugar in our yogurt. Even though it's unsweetened, I think it is still pretty tasty. Next, I also have half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, or you can use any milk of your choice. And this is completely optional, but I like to add it because it really helps give me good energy and endurance. This is maca powder. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of maca. And also, to make it a cold smoothie, I'm adding in some ice. You can add anywhere from half a cup to a cup of ice. I'm gonna see how much I need. Start with a little, you can always add more. And now it's time to blend our smoothie all together. And here we have our finished smoothie, and I love the color. I love all the vibrant colors. When I'm drinking a smoothie, I always like the color to be super vibrant. But now, let's pour it out and taste it. Okay, this makes 2 smoothies, by the way, or 1 if you're super hungry. So if you don't want this much, you can always split this recipe in half. But now the best part, getting to drink it. That's so good. It's so creamy and you can really taste the peaches in this. I absolutely love this smoothie. I think it's so fruity and so refreshing on a hot day. So please let me know if you try this smoothie and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see some more homemade smoothie recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!